Okay, so today is January 23rd. It's about 8 o'clock at night. And I just wanted to let everybody know what we put up with on an almost daily basis here in the abyss. This is our mud room. The snow is drifting in to the mud room because we've got a straight south wind. Oh, sorry about that. And then we're gonna, I gotta unlock the door because we have to lock it so it doesn't blow open. This is the garage. Okay, I'll try and turn on the light. Oh, light's dead. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the door to the outside and it's gonna be like a frickin' tsunami, so hang on. Okay, so there's our yard. Can you hear it? You probably can't even hear me. This is what we do without here. And this is why I'm late to work or can't get to work. Oh my god. There's like needles on my face coming in here. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Ah, my god.